In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the time zone on your MacBook. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open up System Settings. From here, navigate to the General tab and then click on Date and Time. Now, pay attention to the toggle that says Set Time Zone Automatically using your current location. If this is on, your time zone is automatically set based on where you physically are. But if you want to set this manually, you need to toggle this off. You will need to enter your Mac password here. Once that's off, you might notice the time zone option looks grayed out and disabled, and you can't click it directly. That is because you actually need to choose a closest city first, and the Mac will update the time zone based on that city. Now, if you click this little arrow, it only shows a very limited list of cities, which can be pretty confusing. So, to pick the exact city you want, you should just type the city name directly into this box. Then, hit Return. Your time zone is now automatically updated based on the city you just entered. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.